abatanie nawe onawe ugaga iguru niriagukiriire Jehova roigare ugetiga komaka niamukerero giaku nigikinyu iguru unyamarika gwaku gukamukinyira nawe uturaga aukariaine wetereire muraika ukiutuge mae thikiriria uigwe uge wa Jehova niguo yake vale yakunawe tware onawe ugaga iguru niriagukiriire Jehova roigare ugetiga komaka niamukerero giaku nigikinyu iguru unyamarika gwaku gukamukinyira Tione minyororo ya thina roho wa Ngai aroigania kumetuanga kuria gukiru ihoru nigukuo ngemi ota uria uge wa Jehova ugite onawe ugaga iguru niriagukiriire Jehova roigare ugetiga komaka niamukerero giaku nigikinyu iguru unyamarika gwaku gukamukinyira ino ni ndumiriri umete matu-ine ni kuri nondu mweru Ngai arenda gwika utuko wa mathina ukiria guthira naguo mwihoko waku riu ni mwethuku onawe ugaga iguru niriagukiriire Jehova roigare ugetiga komaka niamukerero giaku nigikinyu iguru unyamarika gwaku gukamukinyira onawe ugaga iguru niriagukiriire Jehova roigare ugetiga komaka niamukerero giaku nigikinyu iguru unyamarika gwaku gukamukinyira Kayoria wakoria kwaraganu nowe Ngai wa irima-ine na wa kundu guothe gutwarana nawe kuria kwaraganu wakinya irima-ine abatanie nawe onawe ugaga iguru niriagukiriire Jehova roigare ugetiga komaka niamukerero giaku nigikinyu iguru unyamarika gwaku gukamukinyira nawe uturaga aukariaine wetereire muraika ukiutuge mae thikiriria uigwe uge wa Jehova niguo yake vale yakunawe tware onawe ugaga iguru niriagukiriire Jehova roigare ugetiga komaka niamu Unyamare kahwa kugo kambo kingera. Tione me nyororo ya dina roa gayaroi ganya kombe tuaga pore ago kirui horu nego kuongemi otaore auge wa Jehova ugete onawe ugaga igoro ne ago kireire Jehova roigare tiga komaka nyamukerero gyaku nege kinyu igoro unyamare kahwa kugo kambo kinyera eno ne domereri mete matune ne kore no dumweru gayare dagweka otuko wa madina ukiria gutira Nagua mwehoko waku riu ni mwethoku onawe ugaga igoro niriagukireire Jehova roigare ugitige kumaka niamukerero gyaku nigikinyu igoro unyamarika gwaku gokambo kinyera onawe ugaga igoro niriagukireire Jehova roigare ugitige kumaka niamukerero gyaku nigikinyu igoro unyamarika gwaku gokambo kinyera. Kayorea wakorea kwaraga nowe Gai waire maine na wakodo guothe gutwarana nawe korea kwaraganu wakinya ire maine abatanie nawe onawe ugaga igoro niriagukireire Jehova roigare ugetiga komaka niamukerero gyaku nigikinyu igoro unyamarika gwaku gokambo kinyera nawe oturaga
hau karia-inĩ wetereire mũraika oke ũnjuge maĩ
thikĩrĩria ũigue uge wa Jehova nĩguo yake bare yakuna wetware onawe ugaga
igũrũ nĩrĩagũkinyĩire Jehova roigare ugetiga komaka niamukĩrĩro gyaku nĩgĩkinyu igũrũ. Thank you so much. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Rwĩmbo rwega mũno. Thank you so much, Pastor Sammy Ike. Na mũndũ gwĩtwo Pastor Sammy Rongo. Haya. Rwĩmbo rwega mũno nĩ ruo rwatwanjĩrĩria tabarĩra ya gũcanjamũka mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Good morning. Ndĩrehoka nĩ ũraire wega na warahũka wega, Ngai nĩ akũmenyereire. Niĩ ndĩ mwega na ngacokeria Ngai ngatho nĩ tondũ nĩ anjiguĩrĩire tha, ndarahũka na njĩra njega mũno, ndĩ na ũgima mwega wa mwĩrĩ mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Negatha tokoro tugicanjamuka nawe kuna tabarĩra nĩ ya gũcanjamuka kumania rĩu nginya rĩrĩa cirĩ handa thaa 8 nĩ ũraira wega ndukenjĩre na ũnjarĩrie kũhetũkĩra 20014 Kameme FM official fan page on Facebook wako live. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Unaona vile tumekuwa weupe kwa ajili ya mastima ya studio. Silent listeners, good morning. Diaspora, we love you. Eva na irathimo cia Ngai twarana na ithuĩ oro hamwe nawe muthikĩrĩria witũ nambari 1 ukiumagara no gĩcoka Ngai akomenyerere ũgĩthiĩ kũmatha wone kana wone ũtarĩ hau hakũroka onawe mũthenya waku nĩ ũgũkinya tiga kũmaka rĩu rwĩmbo kĩrĩro gĩaku nĩ gĩkinyĩire Ngai nĩ mathaa mana ma gũcanjamũkana niĩ njĩtagwo Baby Top.
Yes, good morning, Nanigato Chef Gadam, the King P. Himself with a lot of energy. Good morning, good to see you.
You're full of energy.
Yeah, man.
Karibu.
Yeah, it's a terrific Tuesday and we should be terrifying each other. And you look very beautiful. Are you going to see the Deputy President today?
Hold there.
You are very official.
I am giving you what I am doing today.
Yes.
Before I give you, I tell you karibu.
Welcome.
We shajamoka.
Thank you.
Hamwe na muthikĩrĩria witũ. Na ndĩmũria mbaigire ku I&M Bank.
Yes.
Rĩu nĩ marakũhotithia gũtũma mbeca kuma akaunti-inĩ yaku ya bengi nginyagia akaunti-inĩ ya M-Pesa na Airtel Money hatarĩ na marĩhi.
Yes.
Rĩu oho wĩna personal account no hingũre online savings account ĩrĩa ĩna interest ya nginyagia 12% na oho ũheo unsecured personal loan ya 30-day loan. Nĩ atĩ ũngĩ tũrakĩenda
wĩingĩre thĩinĩ wa I&M kana download app ya I&M.
Yes.
Nĩgetha ũkahota kũruta motungata mothe ma bengi wĩke on your phone.
And I can see you have here.
Yes, a lot.
You have here.
You're asking.
You have here.
Motion.
I pay 1 bill.
I'm like this.
Like the way we are going to the toilet.
Yes.
And we do like this.
And you find there's somebody.
It is eating you like that.
Yes.
Aya, 1 bill.
Paid.
You tell me.
Kameme Classifieds.
Kentank nĩ itagire tambũrĩkanĩte bũrũri mũgima ta itangi namba ĩmwe. Itangi rĩa Kentank nĩ rĩa gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ na rĩthondeketwo na full grade virgin material magĩtũmĩra teknolojĩ ya kĩrĩu gũtigĩrĩra itangi rĩaku rĩa Kentank no rĩikare makĩria ma mĩaka 30. Gũra itangi rĩa Kentank ũmũthĩ kuma hardware o yothe hakuhĩ nawe kana ũgũre online kũhetũkĩra www.containers.co.ke. Ohoro makeria hora 0730-832-000.
Kameme Classifieds.
Ũngĩenda kwambatĩra wonjoria-inĩ wĩgiritanie na Kameme kayũ ka mũingĩ. Thimũ citũ nĩ 020-312-110 kana 0707-670977.
Alright, wenda rugambirwo wa thimũ yaku enda tũma demo N kore 23175 23175 okagero hano.
Kameme
Thank you so much. Goko nĩ gwa Kameme kayũ ka mũingĩ tũthiĩte wega mũno makĩria na no wega gũkwĩra cia I&M Bank atĩ rĩu niĩ ndĩrenda ũcere rũhonge o ruothe rwa I&M kana download app ya I&M Bank nĩguo ũkenerere kũhũthĩra mbeca ciaku na njĩra hũthũ hatarĩ na kĩndũ gĩtagwo extra charges.
Hii April watoto wanastahili vicheko na burudani tosha. Salulu ni kulipia subscription yako upate upgrade ya bouquet ya juu ya Star Times. Kuna show kibao kwenye channel kabambe na zenye adventure tele. Ungana na Tini na Tiny wakikufunza mengi kwenye Baby TV. Ungana na marafiki wa Roblox Rumble Gang na Inspector Gadget kwenye Cartoon Channel. Okoa dunia na Ben 10 kwenye Boeing TV ama ujifunze maajabu ya ulimwengu kwenye Da Vinci Channel. Lipia bouquet yako upate upgrade ya bouquet ya juu kwa mwezi mmoja. Download Star Times on app kwa burudani wakati wowote popote ulipo. Star Times, furahia maisha kidijitali.
Kameme Classifieds.
Makiga Building and Construction Services ni kambuni irutaga wira wa gwaka na thogora wa thi ikihuthira Makiga Interlocking Soil Blocks. Gwaka ukihuthira Makiga Interlocking Blocks ni guteithagia kuhonokia besha tondu ndubataraga kugura thimiti tondu ni interlocking kana co-plaster tondu blocks ici ni nyoroku. Oho gutire transport cost tondu blocks ici ithondekagwo on site ni nyihagia ihinda ria gwaka by half. No uhuthire Makiga Blocks gwaka nyumba, shukuru na matangi ma mai. Uhoro makiria hura 0794 677 600.
Kameme Classifieds.
Nĩ thaa 4 na ndagĩka 26
mathaa ũkĩmenyithio nĩ thabuni wa Jamaa. Jamaa nĩ thabuni wa gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ ũrĩrario na thogora mwega. Thabuni wa Jamaa nĩ mwega mũno harĩ gũthambia indo, nguo, wĩra wa riko kana gũthambia kũndũ kũngĩ guothe tondũ nĩ multi-purpose. Ũyũ nĩ thabuni wĩ mũhũyũ mũingĩ na nĩ ũmenyagĩrĩra moko maku. Thabuni wa Jamaa wonekaga nduka-inĩ ciothe hakuhĩ nawe. Jamaa ni ya jamii.
Kotaraigua heho ino yari muru Kingpin.
Oh, na yeye ndiko kule ura na haku we.
Ona urakiruta kigimbi.
Ndoka tiga ndatoga kanua.
Moikari wale muru na matora maria marigicĩirie. Twina date nawe gatatu gaka. Ukoshemania na team Shanjamuka. Na oho kundio mwago wa rwĩmbo Victoria.
Kaire tutarugama. Niki gatumo thakare guo.
No cokio negererio kĩgoco nĩ Shiro wa GP. Nĩ gatatu gaka ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe kuma Limuru o hau thoko-inĩ.
Mwareki wa wonjoria
ukireherwo nĩ I&M Bank.
Wendia wa manyumba guku mucii wa Nairobi ni uracokire thi mieri 3 ya mbere ya mwaka uyu kumana na kuongereka kwa ngombo bururi-ini. Oho ukombori wa manyumba no uracokire thi kumana na kuongereka kwa garama ya uturo bururi-ini. Kuringana na kambuni ya uthuthuria Has Consult, thogora wa manyumba matura-ini matiganite guku mucii wa Nairobi urongererekeire na gicunji kia 2.7 harĩ igana ukiringithanio na ihinda ta riu mwaka muhituku riria thogora uyu wongererekete na gicunji kia 4.1 harĩ igana. Naguo ukombori wa manyumba urakũrire na gicunji kia 4.4 harĩ igana ukiringithanio na ihinda ta riu mwaka muhituku riria ukombori uyu wakũrire na gicunji kia 2.5 harĩ igana. Thirikari ya Kenya na Uganda nĩ cihingũrĩte mĩhaka yao ya kĩũgendi nĩguo kũgacĩrithia kĩgĩna kĩrĩa kiumanaga na ũgendi mabũrũri-inĩ maya merĩ. Mabũrũri maya merĩ maiguithanirie gwĩkĩrĩra tabarĩra cia ũndũire iria igucagĩrĩria agendi. Kũhĩtũkĩra ũiguano ũyũ wa thirikari ici cierĩ nĩ kũrĩkoragwo na gũbangwo kwa magongona ma ũndũire marĩa marĩkuruhanagia ũndũire wa raia a mabũrũri maya merĩ. Monanio ma mbere megũkorwo mwena wa gĩcũa-inĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Kilifi, Kware, oro ũndũmwe na Mombasa. Mau nĩmo marĩ kĩarĩki-inĩ kĩa wonjoria ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ gĩkwendera wandandũku wonjoria-inĩ waku citagwo Gĩkama wa Mwaura.
Kameme kayo ka mũingĩ tuma kĩarĩki-inĩ gĩa thũgũrĩ
wareherwo nĩ bengi ya I&M Bank. I&M nĩ marakũhotithia gũtũma mbeca kuma akaunti-inĩ yaku ya bengi nginya akaunti-inĩ yaku ya M-Pesa kana Airtel Money. Download app ya bengi ya I&M nĩguo ũkenere kũhũthĩra mbeca ciaku na njĩra hũthũ hatarĩ marĩhi makĩria.
Tucheza sita ikira namba ciaku ithathatũ cia munyakoci tumeta message kuri 24 224 weterere kuhotana mbeca.
How instantly.
Riu ni twacokereria wega guku ni gwa Kameme kayo ka muingi.
Na niĩ njĩtagwo Chef Gathemba.
Ndariganĩrwo nĩ gũkua popcorn.
Nĩgetha tũkorwo tũgĩikara thĩ rĩu tũthikĩrĩrie tũnyue gacai. Na mbere ya kwenda marĩa marakunũka ta njĩra nĩ kũrathi tondũ wa thero ũũ.
Gĩthogoro nĩ kwega.
No, you are very smart.
Manjĩra ngũgeithie. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes.
You love my long dress?
Yeah, I love your long dress.
Thank you.
I love your this is a blazer.
Blazer.
I love the blazer.
Thank you.
You look very official.
Asante.
What's the occasion?
Sana. Shajamoka. I love my listeners.
Oh, maha ndũ kũndũrathi.
I love my listeners.
No, but what's the occasion?
I'm the true representative of my listeners.
Lemwe furaca goka njira atiriri. Ikira mubuto ore waku wa material. Ndi umwe ura ndatumĩirwo.
kauda sutere hiana ya bote
na sati kire akujigana
oversize
hinya
kauda sutiro kaya kiro kinyarira au gathakata kare kana Pastor Ben
no kare kiretio umuthi very beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yes, you look very beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
We represent team Shajamoka nigetha ngaki fly the flag.
So what's the occasion?
Tondu ni maji hokeire flag iyo mamilioni na mamilioni.
Yes.
Riu ingi macambithia macambaga othe, of course, and Kameme.
I'm going to rebrand
yes,
and I'm going to look exactly like you.
Yes,
because I'm going to be wearing a designer clothes from Wanje collection. Wange
Wange collection era birthday. Happy birthday to you, my designer.
Yeah, Wange collection, happy birthday.
Murefu da komete toro ni akuhureire tha 8 cio tuko mena mathai
eko na tatigirwo
principal deputy wa makanika marahurira nginya kuma Mombatha Anyandarua marauga riu uratora Karioko ithui ro mena handu
makiro Anyandarua mangigiturira ngari migunda maragia andu niki
turathie kwi murane riu
murathio muthi
tutiranirira
niki ori na nguo andu ngeigua thoni
murefu njuragia atiriri ni kuhaca ofisi ciake ndiruga mwira ni the deputy president's residence.
Yes, in Karen nikuo murathie na makanika no kimere atiriri methambe moko biu maume wiro matigathi kugeithie munene na wiro.
Murefu ndarenda gukua nguo ndikara agiciria mamne magukirara makonwo rucio ngai wa makanika ni agiukite Karioko na makanika othe.
Yes,
na makiruta wira ri ciana irie ri bururi uthie na mbere ri na githie ku tiko gwetagwo
gucanjamuka ngai wao marathime ma
na ndingigioka ndiguthaguthi
no nginya uka wi mutheru
utananjira uria urenda kunjira tondu ndina ndagika imwe ya kugeithia andu a Nyandarua
mageithagia
ni kurai na mafuriko
Nyandarua ndirahurirwo ni mundu witagwo Sirunga aranjira akaherwo wira atuika
herwo wira raunire ruratwara minji ruratwara mboco rureka ati na ndiraigua mohoro-ini ni ndirathikagiriria Katana Saimoira mathaini macio ma thaa imwe hau uguo kana thinacara ndaigua magitwarithitie wega na kuratuika riu rui riu ni rwauna no ni ndiraiguire ona andu marendagia minji iria mararagia matire mona mbura teyo
kuma riria maciarirwo
Nyandarua iturite uguo no riu kiria mona mbura iyo ri na no nyende umuthi kumera matige kuga governor ingirire ni kuri matwarimire tukirima nginya demu-ini tukihinga njira cia demu nona tukihinga mitaro yo tukihanda mboco na waru tukihanda cangi
minji
tukihanda karoti ni ndirenda kwira andu agwitu Nyandarua hau engineer kuria kwa roja machinery miharate bushidemi nito hikwo mure mitaro
drainage
the drainage.
Yes,
riu hingite demu na ne yaku ri riu demu roja ni ari demu amehingite na akahinga mitaro ari menyeni ri hau hangi yake giaga kia nguku ri na kindu gitagwo riparian ri gavana ne agugiuka gukimurimira
hau gavana ati handu arokira
hau atiri handu gavana arokira
hakuna
no nginya mathingure mitaro yao migunda-ini tondu tikambi ni kuria rugongo kwarimirwo na ni wega kurima magikira thara magikira waru magikira karoti makihanda ngario manyetera nduramuthi no nginya matherie demu no nginya matherie mitaro yo
kwaura mai makona gwa kugera
nigetha mai magakiona gwa kugera otherwise go gutikoragwo na mafuriko
gutire kwa ona Dubai ri merambure muo na ona kuo ndaigua gutire drainage mafuriko
acio ni guthondekera mbura yao ni tofauti na itu no ngai akiri gitine kogwo andu agwitu thikoria imetaro yo muhandite waru thikoria iko muhandite minji theria imetaro yo na demu icio
nigetha mai kwaura mbura to tutiga igathira ri
maria maingira demu macio mangi magathie njui makaingira marewa ithia kaingira Naivasha ukaigua ni una riu ni twaremire mademu-ini ni twaremire mitaro yo
mugithinga kuria mai mangigera
twahandire mbembe ithuĩ tutire itherũ na mĩthũnga ya mbũkũ twambe tutherie no poleni sana ni arĩa marakĩhutirio nĩ ũhoro
kayo na gwitũ yurĩte gwitũ rĩu nakuo thĩna rĩ nĩ
sewage nĩ
cikahũra
sewage ndo akĩmenya nacio nĩ cia gũkũ
rĩu kũrĩa gwitũ ikahũra tarĩu ona tũtiumĩte nyũmba twatigana nawe ira nĩ mbura ĩyo
kau nĩkuo rĩu ũraiguagĩra mũcene
na rĩu akekwĩra nginya mbura ĩrokire na indo ũtarĩ wona Burare taru ithuno twaikaria nyuma tutina umare nginya bura kuneneha. Twambire kuona imondo cirokire.
Ora gwitwo gutira ide thitima. Imondo.
Imondo irare andu.
Icio nä ndå
imondo kirokaga cirokire na mbura giakuruma ugakua
ngai
nawe ugokira ukambia ru kuri aria me muoyo thitima ciora ri kumbe irari movie the movie ndironaga
we mwai ndakunura mai ndataia mwai
riu ndiendaga gukwe mwai ona tuaira timo ikaru muno no muhiu bado
ni muhiu what's happening
wari wa weekend ona ndigukuheira tondu na wire ma mood swing
na ndiragire horo wa mood
no ni ohana ndurahota control your mood yesterday
I am a human.
Yes.
No ndakihera tondu ndikiri o mundu. What happened?
Now this is what happened. You see, you see our friend, at least our friend of furniture. Yes.
What happened?
You saw him.
No.
The one who from Nyeri, he come Nairobi. He opened a big hado. Now, another lady.
I don't know.
Listen now. There's another lady, a lady who sells non-stick. Yes, non-stick sufuria.
Oh, madafuria.
Yes. Now this one of furniture, he posts a photo of family. Sawa, are we together up to there?
Take me slowly. Let me open my bottle of water. Guy, me I'm behind.
Yes.
Me I was focusing on engineer water.
Continue focusing. You lose.
Hey, I'm losing.
You lose a lot.
That's why you are here.
Yes.
He
to update you. Now the furniture man he posts family. Now people comment. There come a lady who has a name like the woman who sings country music of America. Yes, that beautiful old woman now.
Dolly.
She write there. Very pretty.
Very pretty.
Very pretty.
Oh, that's good.
That's good. Then to dash tong. Then he continue. Buy your wife non-stick sufuria.
That is what she sells.
Yes.
That's okay.
Now see right there?
Yes.
See right there.
I like that.
Now
even if you come and tell me nice blazer,
yes,
buy this one.
Yes.
It's all right.
Yes.
Hey, let me take water.
What? Now, slowly. Don't take her out. The story is big.
You know I don't want you to be thirsty when you're going to Monene.
You will finish.
Can I tell Monene this Mohai when we go?
Keep him busy with it.
You know even Monene?
Yes.
Their Mogade is Mohai.
They have it.
Mogade Waitoga.
Now the furniture guy, he come down.
I feel like removing the jacket.
Yes, he come there down. He write. Hey you, who are you to tell me what is sufuria?
But you sell beds.
God tell you are husband who doesn't have a work. Yes, to look for you work. So that he can remove you from the street.
Which street?
The street that is very famous with the guy who this guy who is like Koinage. He is Jeff. I think he's the owner of the street.
Jeff Koinage. He's listening.
He's the owner of that street.
him and mine are always listening here.
Yeah, so
they find the link here for their breakfast. People are lazy.
Very. Now, this man of furniture, he tell that lady, go
to Jeff Koinage.
Go and look for a job and stop going to the Jeff Koinage street. Guy. People now, they come down.
Does he know that street and he came yesterday?
No, I think the people are asking, does he visit?
Is he a customer?
Guy, now, people come down. They start throwing fists. Hey, you, that Dory, whatever patron, has no bad thing.
But you saw, what is she bad?
No, you see, I from my suggestion, from the commenting people, these people audience, I saw I think
She was promoting her work.
Yes, but the problem is the man of furniture. You see, education. I told you, you cannot have everything. You cannot have money.
Have a job.
Employ a lot of people. Have many branches.
Go to China.
And also have education. And you have the moves.
And you are dancer. And you are used to insulting.
Yes. No, so I think when
he was weighted like this.
Yes. The man of furniture, when he read, very pretty. He didn't see the R.
He's so petty. God, calm down, Jesus.
Yes, he's so petty. She's petty. By her non-stick sufuria.
Oh my.
He come, clenched fist. Who? Go, tell your husband to look for a job.
Men don't fight women.
Come from Koinage. You, what are you? People come. They tell him, apologize. Yes.
He say yes or no?
No. He write another one. He say, I am unapologetically. What are you?
Guy.
No story. No story become big everywhere. Social media. Talk to the furniture guy. Talk to the furniture guy. Now everyone is on the side of the singer, the non-stick,
the lady,
the non-stick,
the musician.
Let's call her non-stick.
Yes, a non-stick.
Now everybody is on the side of the non-stick. This guy furniture. You are abusing women. You have branches now,
and you know women are the people who buy.
Yes,
be very careful.
Yes,
yeah, we are the people who buy.
Yes,
yes, we buy bed for baby, for husband.
Yes,
seats.
Yes,
so be very humble a little.
That's how they tell him. They tell him humble.
Even bad.
Even other tell him.
They finished the Adam.
Yes.
We don't joke.
You see, women even talk to snake. Don't know what you talked.
So what happened? He said, I will not apologize.
So even people come here, down and right. We know even there in China, you have been taken by the government to pay loan. You are a slave there. They beat him. Finally, yesterday, I think he sat down. He called himself. No, he called himself fast. He say, oh, I had a problem in my figures.
They are used to knocking nails.
You know, in China, you cannot type properly. It is not me who type. It is my guy there at Roiro.
At the scooter. Not Roiro. Baby scooter.
Scooter, he wrote when he drank. I'm going to fire him. Please forgive me. When I come,
I will buy you seats.
I'll buy non-stick 3,000. Now, his friends, the turban guy. You see this turban guy who cries?
Yes.
And the elephants.
Yes.
And this of spears. And the bishop. They are silent now. They are silent. Everybody is silent.
Yes.
They don't know what to do. Because this now is big. He write apology. He say,
that's okay.
I'm sorry. Now he write apology.
When the student.
Yes. Now when he write, now the turban guy.
That was quiet.
The turban guy comes. He write like he wants to kwarahora.
He said, what, my friend?
When you see somebody has apologized, just forgive him.
You know, it's for PR.
Yes. And let us continue promoting one another.
When the ball has thrown the dress.
And as we promoting each other. Nikona Saba Naikuru. He right. People calm down. No, Bishop.
Bishop.
Where the
store.
Where the store. The granary of God.
Yes.
You see now, this the furniture guy. You see
it's first seat in
charge. Yes. Now, the bishop has to come. But he does not come with goods.
Yes.
He says
what?
He come with the fist. Yes.
He say what?
He tell him.
Yes.
We know you are from Nyeri.
Yes.
You are not used to these streets of social media.
You know he's a disciplinarian.
Yes. You should know who to fight and who not to fight. We know you love your family. But not everybody you are supposed to fight. Hallelujah. I'm telling you from today.
Yes.
Don't go with anger.
Yes.
Come slowly. And apologize.
Yes.
And then the bishop. Piara too.
He said what?
He tell the non-stick. Saturday, we meet at the granary of God. Come with the pickup. Now the one who haribu everything is the elephant. He do a video.
Elephant.
Yes, the elephant.
Yes.
The one who was singing with the chair here.
The one for there.
Yes. He did a video.
He said what?
He said, my boss.
Yes, he works there. Your boss has poo-pooed.
Insert their accent.
I said what?
My boss, we know you and your education are parallel. And the parallel lines never meet. We know you saw the petty
instead of pretty.
You saw petty instead of pretty. We ask you to apologize.
No.
So that our job does not end. Now the good thing. Now the good thing of all this.
As we finish the drama.
The non-stick is a celeb.
Wow, it's been bought for. I also buy.
A lot. Yeah. Actually, she does not have stock now.
She said that.
She's running out of stock.
She asked that one in China to sell sufurias.
Before she wrote and she was beaten, she had 4 sufurias. Non-stick 4. Yes. Now, orders start coming. Now she has to run to Kamukoji all the way to go and get.
Wow.
His business has gone.
What has that story taught you?
That story has taught me.
Leave women. Leave us.
Leave women alone.
Leave women alone. You will fall.
I see this war.
That woman and woman to fight me and the woman.
Yes.
Yes.
And I saw other women fight that woman.
They say what?
They say, oh, you're telling us to buy non-stick sufuria.
Those ones.
They are old fashioned.
Those ones are the ones who want to bed for free.
Oh, they are trying to.
They want to bed for free. They are foolish. They want to bed for free. Let it happen and do the PR.
They are going for the furniture side.
They are going for the furniture and kefeti.
So that they can be
given for free.
And these girls are bad. They tell the furniture guy, hey, when you see us women commenting, it's not like we want you, we don't.
They want to who?
We go for masculine guy.
Like who?
Taban.
They want a turban. Not the dogs. Even me want a masculine.
So want somebody when you hear boo at night.
You go out.
He goes out.
And this one?
They say.
And this one?
When he hear fracas.
You go under the bed. Hey, there are things.
Out here. Yeah? These streets of social media.
Leave them.
Walk them slowly. Yeah?
Because when you pass Theka, step on us slowly.
From Theka to this side.
Yeah, to this side.
It is hard.
Yeah, but you don't tell us to go to Koinange. This is we go to BNB.
Oh, so he could have wrote
we
there.
Updated.
He could have wrote. He could have.
You have that post to edit.
Yes, instead of apologizing,
yeah, right?
he could have edited the post.
We go to Airbnb, and that thing for app, it is called what? The one for calling women.
The Tida.
Yeah, we go to Tida. Jeff Koinange is old fashioned. Hey, Bararoroha. Huh? So me, I missed.
You missed, but he has
come to Kijabe Street.
Yes. Now, those go to Koinange, the Jeff ones.
It was closed. That one.
Yes, people die because of pneumonia. You see standing there with the short skirt.
We stopped.
And this rain.
We went now to app.
Digital.
We are top.
Now you are in the street
even
of
Ruto
Ida.
Said they have roaded everything 80% to digital. We stop that bullshit.
In the comfort of your home, you are called.
Step women at your own risk.
I feared women. Fear women.
Fear us.
That story
Fear Modoni
has taught me to fear women.
Fear women.
Fear Stacy. Fear Modoni.
But when you insult,
yes,
women are good.
Yes.
They will take you up there.
There.
You throw them figure. We put you there.
I believe.
You throw them figure.
Yes.
Oh,
but you see, if the furniture guy was in Kenya, you see now he is far. Because he was in Kenya, he would have been slapped.
But now, I would rather he was here. There. I know his stomach.
I do know he is eating crocodile and frog meat.
And dogs. And dogs. That's the map wisdom.
Of dealing with ladies.
We are not walking there.
You are
we
fire.
We are not walk over.
You are fire of burning from far.
Hey, I hear you.
It is those streets. But now he has apologized. There is one man who was saying, you see, in the post he said, it is not him who wrote. It is from Scooter. It's a drunk guy from Scooter. So he said, he is going to fire him. Now another man writes, we have received the apology, but we want to see you doing a video of firing that man. And others say, don't try. We see it is your handwriting. How do you know handwriting?
Maybe he's used to
doing that.
Maybe, I don't know. But what I would tell him, because he's also my brother,
yes,
you come slowly.
Yeah. And we receive the apology.
You can't fight with people drinking okra water for fridge. Yes.
They are putting it now in the fridge to drink in the morning.
We are drinking okra water. It has a lot of zinc.
And it has also been it has been measured. Okra water. It has the same content with marijuana.
Then you deal with us at your own risk. Anyway, karibu sana. Cheza sita.
Good. Cheza sita. Uratumana basi kuja tushomnyaka kule 24224. 24224. What are they saying?
They say don't joke with people okra water.
People drink okra water and they are seated in Sinatabu
waiting. They are
waiting.
not commenting because they want you.
They don't want you.
Kiogimo wamwe Jordan College of Technology Thika nimaragwitira grand intake ya mweri 6 Mei thĩinĩ wa our School of Medical Health and Social